Good day, riders. We are looking at the overall map of the Florida trip. We are on leg 4 right now, Belden, Mississippi to Gainesville, Florida. It's a foggy morning in Mississippi, but that should dry up pretty quick here. Nice sunny day out. We will top off our 4.7 gallon tank with some petrol and hit I think it's an interstate, maybe not, maybe a highway. Highway 178. Yes, our next stop will be Birmingham, Alabama. We're looking at the main screen front camera with the rear camera top right. We'll be looking at that ball of fire. And speaking of ball of fires, here's a piece from Andrew Marlin, Trips Around the Sun. Hope you enjoy. Andrew Marlin's Trip Around the Sun has taken us into Montgomery, Alabama. We are on the western edge, moving down south, looking for the Alabama 231 exit, and should be in Tallahassee, Florida shortly, looking for the Interstate 10 that will take us to our final destination in Gainesville. I hope the ride has been good for you. Looks like a great day to ride, and any day we ride is a great day. I think I've said that enough, but you've done a splendid job of crowding that line and keeping track of traffic. Been a good ride. So you'll notice that vehicle's lights flickering. They are really not flickering, but running at the same frequency that the camera rate is running at, and there's just a little bit of lapse in the capture of the video, and it gives them the appearance that they're flickering. And there's another one. We've got a sundog in the front camera, top left. That's usually a 10 o'clock, 10:30 occurrence. Haven't quite figured out how to prevent that, but this footage was captured October 2020, and probably shortly thereafter was the first time it was put, any of the captured motorcycle video was put into production. There were a couple years worth of files on hand, and because they hadn't been put into production, there was a bit of ignorance as to the condition of the video camera, and so it really didn't come to anyone's attention that the camera was vibrating as severely as it was, and that the video quality was being affected by that vibration. So that has since then been corrected, but just keep in mind, if you are capturing video, to inspect it periodically to make sure it is of the quality that you're looking for. We have the top left at a 1080, and the main screen rear camera is running 720. Both are at 25 frames per second. We have moved into the Maybach era. And it's a pretty spiffy looking car, and it looks like it's got some pep in its step. I think she's probably late for choir practice, so we'll make sure we stay out of her way. So as you can see, crowding the line, you're able to see up the road and not drive directly behind the vehicle in front of you. You're able to switch lanes rapidly. Yes, very good. And that's what you need to do. And don't be shy on a motorcycle. Better that the vehicles around you are aware of your presence than not. So it looks like you're just fed up here. I saw that one coming a mile away. I think it was all legal. I don't know what to say. I'm not going to say anything more. We'll see if this unattended gas station will serve you some petrol. And off to, Gainesville. We'll be hitting the Gulf of Mexico area and expect a change of scenery. Your virtual speed will be around 300 miles per hour, and the actual speed hovering around the speed limit. We are looking to hook up to Interstate 10 near Tallahassee and speed things up a little bit. It's getting somewhat late in the day, so hopefully we make it into Gainesville before the sun goes down. And we may have that interstate coming up right now. And so I'm not sure what part of town we're in, but it looks as though there's a tractor trailer coming right at. Oh my gosh. It had me totally fooled. I feel so embarrassed. Okay, but let's get some gas. I'm a little bit shaky from that. And I'm going to get a couple plain hamburgers. Back on the road we go, and this is I-10. It skirts east to west, west to east in Florida. Nice stretch of road. You're doing some good zips. It's all looking good. We need to get that red car out of the way. Yeah, and whatever you did, you got that red car out of the way, that's for sure. It is getting a little dark out, and the front camera in the top left doesn't really do that well once the lighting goes down. So it looks like the city of Gainesville has put out some construction cones for our arrival. That was nice of them. Kind of guide us in a sort of a parade fashion. And just in the nick of time too, my eyes are getting a little blurry. I don't know about yours. I think it's time to pick out a hotel and hunker down for the night. It's been a good ride across the southern states, and hope you get some rest, and we'll see you in the morning.